Good morning, friends. Myself, Mezabin Sheikh, Vibrant Science School, welcome you all in online teaching. Today's our topic is preposition. There are three types of preposition, including time prepositions, place prepositions, and direction prepositions. Time prepositions are those such as before, after, during, and until. Place prepositions are those indicating positions such as around, between, and against. And direction prepositions are those indicative of direction such as across, up, and down. Each type of preposition is important. So start with preposition of time. Basic example of time preposition include at, on, in, before, and after. They are used to help indicate when something happens or will happen. It can get a little confusing though, as many different positions can be used. Preposition of time example in the following sentence are in such as, for example, I was born on 4th March 1993. Here on is a preposition. I was born in 1993. Here in is preposition. I was born at exactly 2 a.m. Here at is preposition. I was born 2 minutes before my twin brother. Here before is preposition. I was born after the Great War ended. Here after is preposition. Great War indicates the exact time. So here preposition describe the time of the action. The above makes it seems quite difficult with 5 different prepositions used to indicate when something happened. However, there is a set of guidelines that can help decide in which preposition to use. For year, month, season, centuries, and time of day, use the preposition in. For example, I first met John in 1987. It's always cold in January. Next, Easter falls in spring each year. Next, the Second World War occurred in the 20th century. We eat breakfast in the morning. Here in is a preposition. For days, date, and special holidays use the preposition on. For example, we go to school on Monday but not on Sunday. Next example, Christmas is on December 27. Buy me a present on my birthday. For time, indicator of exception and festival, use the preposition at. For example, family often argue at Christmas time. I work faster at night. Her shift finished at 7. Here at is a preposition. You have to frame some other example of this in, on, and at prepositions.